Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited for today's video. It's all about Chanel and a new bronzer shade that they released, a new cream bronzer shade that took me by surprise, but when I saw it was a medium tan bronze, I was all over it because I wanted one that was a little bit lighter than the cream deep, so this worked out perfectly. I'm gonna be swatching, I'm gonna be trying that one on, and then we're gonna do some comparison swatches with the deep cream bronzer and the new Maxi Terra powder bronzer that just came out. Okay, so we'll see how the colors match up on my skin tone. Then what I'm gonna do is just get my Chanel face together really quickly. Okay, we wanna see how everything else complements the bronzer. So if you wanna see those swatches and how my face came together and what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before I jump in, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I'm rocking another new twist headband from us. This one is a cocoa rose color, so there's a browniness there, but there's also a bit of pink, so I absolutely love this. I'm sorry, I'm just completely digging these with my short hair. Main fabric in this one is viscose, which is wood pulp. It's got some cotton and then there's some spandex for some stretch. They come in lots of colors. We have a couple of prints and they are perfect for this time of year. They're super comfortable, super duper comfortable. So no matter what your hair type, your hair size, we've got something for you. So if you want to check out any of our twist headbands, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below, along with the link for this specific shade. Okay guys, so today is all about Chanel and their bronzers. Okay, we're gonna focus on a new shade of bronzer. It's probably gonna be two parts this video, really. I'm up to the part in my makeup routine where I wanna apply my bronzer. So we're gonna start with the bronzers and then I'm gonna whip the rest of this face together with a bunch of other Chanel products that are a bit older, okay? So, you know, if you're here for the bronzer, you'll get your bronzer. And if you wanna see how my finished face comes together with the bronzer, see, I like a whole finished look, okay? You stay to the end and we'll whip this face into shape. Okay, so Chanel recently released a new shade of their Le Beige Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. This one is Soleil Tan Medium Bronze, $3.92. You know what the packaging looks like. They're huge. And let's look at the inside. So this is the new shade, okay? Again, Soleil Tan Medium Bronze, $3.92. Here is $3.95, which is the deep one that I've been using, okay, for what, a year or two? I don't remember how long it's been out. And here they are together. You can see this one is a little lighter than this deep one here. The truth is, while I can make the deep one work, and I've been using it because I love the formula, I've always found it just a tad deep for me. So I was excited to see that they came out with this medium, tan medium bronze color. Okay, so here it is swatched. Loving how this color looks, and I'm loving the undertones. It's reading a little bit orange on me, which is okay. I have yellow undertones, so orangey bronzes seem to work really well with my skin. I said it before, you guys know I don't want to change ethnicities. I'm not a fan of changing races with bronzers. Not my thing at all. And I always want a color that's a little bit more natural. And I feel like this one will do the trick. Again, you'll see the deep swatch. The deep I've worn in videos, so it's not so dark that it's crazy on me. But when I wear it, I'm like, it's a little bit dark. Okay, so let's see what this one looks like. I can see it straight away. I'm trying to figure out, how do you apply this? I don't like dragging brushes necessarily through cream products. Not my favorite thing in the world. So I'm like, should I put, I mean, I guess I always do, or I dab it on maybe, and then blend it out. Okay. Can you see it as I hit I can see it. So I'm hoping you guys are seeing it. Again, this shade will give me a nice natural bronzing situation, which is my preference. Do you wear a lot of bronzer? Do you wear it all year round? Do you wear it more in the summertime? Do you find that it's a product that you don't wear a lot? I'm hearing people say they don't even like wearing bronzers, okay? So are you pro bronzing or no? Let me know in the comments below. I love the glow that this gives me. Absolutely love the glow. Let's push this side back a little too. We'll get back to, we'll correct that headband situation in a second. Really nice, healthy glow. And I hope you're seeing it. Now, obviously, deep would come in handy on an island, on vacation or something, when you're darker, when you're, I don't get that dark in the summertime. I'm not out in the sun like that. So it would take a vacation for me to truly, truly get dark. Or when I was younger and I was always like in somebody's pool. Okay, then for sure. Okay? So I'm actually really, really, yes, I'm glad they came out with this shade for in between the deep and the lighter one. 'Cause this one is perfect for how I like to wear bronzer. Okay, so the more I sit with this, the more I absolutely enjoy it. I think it's a very, very pretty shade on me. It's a complimentary shade on me, not pretty. It's a complimentary shade on me. And what I love about these cream bronzers is the formula is just so beautiful, so lightweight. It's so lightweight. It goes on like air, feels like nothing. And again, it gives a really nice, glowy, healthy glow situation as it bronzes my face up. So I'm happy with this shade. Here it is. So this is the one I have on now, $3.92, the new shade. And here is deep on me, okay? $3.95. So as you can see, the deep is it's a little dark. Okay, so, and then we have this one, which is the new one, Sunbath Deep, the new Beige Oversized Healthy Glow Sun-Kissed Powder that I just reviewed on my channel. So this is from this year's collection. Here it is here. Okay, so this is the deep shade. This is the one I have on now, the new shade, and then this is the cream deep. As you can see, this is not as deep as this, but they're both, these are the two deep colors, okay? Undertone's a little different too, but this is definitely did not get as deep as this one, which is a shame, but this one works really well on me too. The deep works really well, and then they all work, but these two are closer to my complexion. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get the rest of my Chanel face together really quickly. I'm not gonna go into every product. Again, I will tell you what I'm using, but I'm not going to break it down a second time. All these things are on my channel. Today, I am going to be using the Golden Meadow eyeshadow palette. I'm just feeling these colors for the day. Just felt like using these colors. And yeah, I might use this pencil. Their Stylo Ombre Contour Marron brown pencil. I might. You know, it's my prerogative if I change my mind. I might. We'll see how that goes. Because this is looking a little flat, okay? I would never go out like this. I need color in my life, guys. I need color in my life. So let me get these eyes together. I'm gonna finish it with the only non-Chanel product, I think, is the Le Hypnose from Lancome. I recently showed this one and I'm still getting used to it. I'm still using it. I'm loving it, so I wanna use it now. And that's what's gonna be happening with my eyes. Let's go. on the eyes. I did want to make note of this Lay 8 Hypnose mascara. I've worn this a lot since I got it. This is the one I've been wearing actually all the time. I've only been wearing this since I got it because I'm testing it out and I want to know. Beautiful, beautiful lashes, but I wanted to mention that it comes off super easily too, which is the main thing for me. That's the most annoying part of taking off my makeup, is when I get to the lashes and I just have to spend entirely too much time getting my mascara off. This one comes off beautifully. Remember, it has those 8 amino acids in it, so it's a really beautiful, and other really good ingredients. So it's a really beautiful formula, super gentle on my lashes, and I'm quite the fan. Let me know if you guys watch, do you like those videos? Do you like videos where I like revisit the products that I've mentioned, like how they've worn over time, or like favorites of the month or stuff like that? It's never really interested me to do those videos, but I'm just curious, is that something that you would be interested in, like at the end of a month or the next month, coming back to tell you how I feel about the products that I reviewed in the month before? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get to these cheeks, then we'll put on lipstick, and then we're gonna be done. I haven't worn this one in a minute. This is the Le Chains. I don't even know how to pronounce chains in French. Les Chains de Chanel, okay? Illuminating blush powder here. Okay, let's get this on my cheeks. I didn't think, I thought, I mean, this is one of those one and done products, so still debating. May still put a highlighter just because. See, the color gets there really, really quickly. It's very, very pretty color, pretty shade. Very, very pretty. Bring it back. And I'm done with my blush. Let's get to this highlighter. Okay, here's the Eclat du Désert illuminating powder. So I blended it, you know, the other one out on off camera. Just a little something. That is not a little something, guys. Jeez. When I tell you I tapped it, I promise I didn't put a lot. I promise. I promise. This is gonna need some reinforcement. Let's get a grip on this side. You can see it's powerful. This is a powerful number. Okay. Works out nicely with the blush. I feel like I need to match this side though. Ugh. Hate to do it. Hate to do it. Just a little bit more. Okay, so I don't look so lopsided. Okay. We don't want a lopsided highlighter. I'll just walk into spaces like this with this side of my face. Done with the highlighter, enjoying the face, okay? Bringing it together, bringing a little life to it. So I'm going to use my No. 1 de Chanel Serum in Mist just to spray. Yes, they say spray like 2 sprays. Welcome to my life of overspraying. I don't know that I ever just use 2 sprays. No, look how nice this is bringing everything together. I love this mist. It's so nice. It's so nice. Gives you a nice little glow all over. Perfect for this time of year. And I'm ending things with a nude lip. Dawn Rouge Cocoa Flash 158 Cocoa. Okay, so here we have 158 Cocoa. Let's get this on quickly. This is the most beautiful formula. Nudie nude on me. I love this shade. Perfect for warm weather. It just reminds me of like you're going to the beach. See how we got like that orangey glow. Like everything's kind of, works well. You know what I realized yesterday when I was looking for colors? I don't have that many Chanel lipsticks. And I certainly don't have a nice range of colors. Gonna have to use our discounters here and get my at least 25% off because, yeah, I want some colors. I love the formulas. I always lean on nudes, and this is beautiful. Little something on my lips. The Shine Early. These Rouge Coco Flash lipsticks, I really, really enjoy this formula. Super duper nice. We're done. And I wanted to mention, because I will have swatches in the sunlight of the Chanel bronzers, okay? So the one I have on today, and then I'll do the comparison. Now I could use a liner with these lips, but I'm gonna leave it like this. I like the color. I think it works out. I feel summery, I feel warm weathery, so I'm happy about it, okay? Guys, let me know what you're thinking about these bronzers. Are you interested in this new shade, this medium tan bronze shade? Is it more up your alley? How do you feel about the color selection of the Chanel bronzers? And let me know what you feel about these formulas. Are you going to get the powdered Maxi Terra when it gets to you wherever you are in the world? What about this new shade? Is it just more your jam, or you prefer the deeper shade? Let me know. I want to know what you're feeling about Chanel bronzers in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love talking to you guys. Love hearing back from you guys. So always keep that going. Hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video out. And if you want to check out any of our awesome twist headbands, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, any of our boho head wraps, and all our other hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.